Hey everyone, welcome back to another Linux tutorials. Today we are diving into simple yet powerful command that every system administrator and developer should know, the watch command in Linux. If you ever needed to monitor the command output in a real time, watch is the best friend. In this video, we will break down how it works, explore its options and see the real world example. So let's get started. Let's see the manual page for watch command. Watch command in Linux is used to run a command repeatedly at regular intervals and display the output in the terminal. This is a super useful when you want to track system performance, check resource usage or monitor log files without manually rerunning a command over and over. By default, watch refreshes the output every 2 seconds, but you can change this depending on your needs. Let's see the example. The simplest way to use watch is just run a watch command. You'll see all the options. Watch followed by the command which you want to monitor. This is the syntax for this. For example, let's say we want to continuously check the disk usage of your system. You can run watch df-h. This will display the disk space usage and refresh it every 2 seconds, allowing you to track the changes in the real time. Imagine you are copying a large files or setting up a backup and you want to monitor available space without constantly typing df-h. Watch df-h does that for you automatically. Let's see the another example. The -n option lets you change how frequently the command runs. Watch -n, I will give 5 and I want to check memory. This will check the memory usage every 5 seconds instead of a default 2 seconds. If you are troubleshooting a memory leak, this helps you see a real-time monitoring consumption without overwhelming your system with constant refresh. By default, watch will highlight any differences between the updates. This is useful when you need to spot a changes quickly. Let's see watch -d ls-l. I will run varlog. This monitors the varlog directory and highlights the changes when new log files appears. If you're debugging a system issue and need to see which log files are being updated, this makes it easier to spot the activity. As of now, on my system, there is no any activity going on in varlog, so that's why it's not getting highlighted. But this command is very useful. You can watch with pipes and filter like grep to refine what you monitor. Let's run watch -n3. So I will run ps aux. Let's take example of Apache. This will refresh every 3 seconds and only show the process related to the Apache. Perfect for system administrator monitoring running services, ensuring a web server process is active or troubleshooting issue. If your command includes a special characters like pipe, use quotes to prevent error. Like watch -n netstat. Like this you need to insert in double quote. This helps the network administrator keep an eye on services running on port 80 in a real time. To stop the watch command, simply press Ctrl+C, just like terminating any running command in Linux. And that's it for this tutorial. We have explored the watch command and its key option to help you monitor system activity efficiently. Whether you are keeping an eye on disk usage, tracking logs, update, or monitoring a running services, watch command is a must-have tool for Linux administrator and a developer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Linux tutorials. Check out our other videos for more system administrator tips. See you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.